1. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $45,000, located, Mtayeri, NC. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is a professionally prepared race car that also offers the possibility of being converted for legal street use, making it a versatile option for enthusiasts who appreciate both classic muscle cars and serious performance. The vehicle has approximately 12,345 miles, a manual transmission, and is finished in blue with a black interior. According to the seller, the Chevelle includes a clear North Carolina title and is equipped with lighting, allowing the next owner the opportunity to complete a street-legal conversion if desired. Built on a tube chassis, the car features lightweight fiberglass front body panels, fiberglass doors, fiberglass trunk lid, and fiberglass bumpers to reduce weight while maintaining the iconic Chevelle appearance. 2 different hoods are included with the sale, providing additional flexibility for future customization. Power comes from a strong 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Liberty 5-speed manual transmission. Performance upgrades continue with fresh Mark Williams 40 spline axles, a nodular center section, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, ladder bar rear suspension, and brand new wheels and tires. The seller describes the car as race-ready with no known mechanical issues, making it suitable for competitive drag racing, weekend events, or further customization into a unique pro street cruiser. 2. 1976 Buick Skylark. Price, $27,500, located, McChesney Park, Illinois. This 1976 Buick Skylark is a well-prepared bracket racing drag car offered as a complete package together with an enclosed trailer, making it an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a turnkey combination. The vehicle has approximately 75,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in black. According to the seller, the car has been consistently competitive in both 1/8 and 1/4 mile racing while operating on VP110 race fuel. Safety and racing equipment include a Motion Raceworks air shifter, trans brake, line lock, 5-point safety harness, full roll cage, and engine diaper. Power comes from a dependable 455 cubic inch Buick engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission featuring a Reed racing case, aluminum deep transmission pan, and GM pump. The rear axle is equipped with 35 spline Moser engineering axles, a Moser spool, Richmond Pro 4.11 gears, and a reinforced GM 12-bolt housing fitted with a heavy-duty TA Performance aluminum cover. The sale also includes a RaceWire Solutions wiring harness, carburetor rebuild kit, gauges, switches, and the recently purchased trailer, creating an outstanding race-ready package. 3. 1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $12,500, located, East Peoria, Illinois. This 1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 has been carefully developed as a dependable street and strip performance car that combines everyday drivability with proven drag racing capability. The vehicle has approximately 128,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in green with a gray interior. According to the seller, the engine was removed and completely serviced in April, and the car has accumulated only about 8 tanks of fuel since the work was completed. The engine continues to perform strongly and currently operates on a conservative base tune, giving the next owner flexibility for additional tuning if desired. The transmission functions properly, although the factory speedometer signal has not been connected, with the seller currently relying on GPS speed monitoring. The Camaro rides on drag radial tires and also features a trick chassis anti-roll system that improves stability during hard launches. Cosmetic imperfections include typical clear coat peeling on the passenger side, but the vehicle retains a clear title and remains a fun, powerful performance car that is equally suitable for weekend cruising, local drag racing events, or future performance upgrades. 4. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. Price, $25,000, located, Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. This 1977 Chevrolet Corvette is a purpose-built superstreet and ET bracket racing machine that combines classic C3 Corvette styling with proven drag racing components. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in white with a blue interior. According to the seller, the Corvette is powered by a powerful 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a dependable Powerglide transmission, creating a combination well known for durability and consistency at the drag strip. The drivetrain also features a Dana rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.56 gears to maximize acceleration and performance. Additional competition equipment includes a certified chassis, strange high-performance braking system, and AFCO double adjustable shock absorbers that allow suspension tuning for varying track conditions. The seller also includes extra parts with the purchase, adding further value for the next owner. Whether competing in bracket racing or attending performance events, this Corvette offers an excellent balance of lightweight fiberglass body construction, proven mechanical reliability, and classic American sports car styling. It represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a ready-to-run vintage Corvette with established competition hardware. 5. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Drag Car. Price, $29,500, located, Albert Lea, Minnesota. This 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 drag car is a professionally built competition vehicle designed for serious drag racing performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic Oldsmobile muscle car. The vehicle has approximately 456 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in bright orange with a silver interior. According to the seller, the car carries a factory VIN but does not include a title and will be sold with a bill of sale. Powered by a freshly built 632 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine, the vehicle produced approximately 793 horsepower on 93 octane fuel during engine dyno testing, with documentation included. The drivetrain features a new FTI Level 4 Turbo 400 automatic transmission and a matching FTI torque converter. Performance upgrades continue with a fiberglass front clip, fiberglass trunk lid, full roll cage, aggressive 4.56 rear gears, and brand new Hoosier QuickTime DOT rear tires with matching new front tires. The seller notes the car weighs approximately 2,960 pounds and has already recorded a 9.82 second pass while still having additional performance potential. 2 hoods are included, making this a highly attractive race-ready package. 6. 1987 Ford Mustang Fox Body Roller. Price, $11,000, located, Mora, Minnesota. This 1987 Ford Mustang Fox Body Roller is an outstanding foundation for anyone planning to build a competitive drag racing machine or custom Pro Street project. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission configuration, and is being offered as a complete roller without an engine or transmission. According to the seller, the Mustang features a professionally constructed chromoly roll cage with a current 8.50 certification, making it suitable for serious racing applications. The seller notes that the car includes virtually everything needed to complete the build except the drivetrain, providing excellent value for racers who already have an engine and transmission combination ready to install. Built around the lightweight Fox body platform, the car offers tremendous potential for bracket racing, index racing, or street and strip competition. Although the vehicle does not include a title, it is described as having numerous high-quality performance components already installed throughout the chassis. The seller requests that interested buyers arrive prepared with both a trailer and available funds, reflecting the vehicle's ready-to-purchase condition. This Fox Body Roller represents an affordable opportunity to begin a professionally prepared racing project with substantial fabrication already completed. 7. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu 1LT Sedan 4D. Price, $25,000, located, Blue Springs, Missouri. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu 1LT Sedan 4D is a professionally built bracket racing machine designed to deliver impressive consistency while offering exceptional performance potential. The vehicle has approximately 75,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is powered by a formidable 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with Brodix aluminum cylinder heads and a matching Brodix aluminum intake manifold. Fuel delivery is handled by a Williams Dominator carburetor supported by an Aeromotive A2000 fuel system. Additional performance upgrades include an Induction Solutions nitrous system with a leash nitrous controller and bottle heater for maximum tuning flexibility. Power is transferred through an Abruzzi-built Powerglide transmission and converter connected to a Moser Ford 9-inch rear axle with durable 35-spline axles. Suspension improvements include TRZ upper and lower control arms, AFCO double adjustable front coilover shocks, strange double adjustable rear shocks, and a mini-tubbed rear chassis with frame notches. According to the seller, the Malibu consistently runs 6.30 second passes naturally aspirated and has recorded a best of 5.33 seconds with nitrous. The vehicle includes a title and could be returned to street use with minimal additional work. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $53,000, located, Rushville, Illinois. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D is a beautifully preserved American muscle car that combines classic factory styling with tasteful performance upgrades. The vehicle has approximately 65,000 original miles, a manual transmission, a clean title, and is finished in eye-catching hugger red with a black interior. According to the seller, the replacement 396 cubic inch big block engine has accumulated fewer than 5,000 miles since installation, providing dependable performance while maintaining the authentic character of this desirable Camaro SS. Performance improvements include Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads and a matching Edelbrock intake manifold that enhance both horsepower and engine efficiency. The drivetrain retains its desirable 4-speed manual transmission, allowing drivers to fully enjoy the classic muscle car experience. Additional recent maintenance includes 4 brand new tires along with a new spare tire, ensuring the vehicle is ready for immediate driving. The seller notes that the Camaro carries a clean title and has been carefully maintained throughout its life. Combining iconic first-generation Camaro styling, upgraded mechanical components, and solid documentation, this SS Coupe represents an excellent opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic Chevrolet muscle car. 9. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $48,000, located, Topeka, Kansas. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a professionally built drag racing machine engineered to deliver outstanding performance while maintaining the timeless appearance of Chevrolet's popular G-body platform. The vehicle has approximately 300 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in blue with a black interior. According to the seller, the Malibu is powered by a turbocharged 408 cubic inch LS engine equipped with a GTX 5533 or 94mm turbocharger and managed by a Holley Dominator engine management system. Power is delivered through a dependable Powerglide transmission connected to a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle. The suspension features premium Menser racing components designed to maximize traction and stability under hard acceleration. The seller states the car has recorded an impressive best pass of 4.80 seconds at 149 miles per hour in stock block trim while weighing approximately 3,222 pounds with the driver. Without the driver, the vehicle can be reduced to approximately 2,836 pounds for additional performance potential. The seller also mentions that an enclosed trailer and complete racing package may be available separately, making this Malibu an outstanding turnkey option for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 10. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $45,000, located, Lenexa, Kansas. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street is a beautifully finished American muscle car that combines classic styling with an extensive list of proven high-performance upgrades. The vehicle has approximately 30,000 actual miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in fresh red paint. Under the hood is a powerful 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with a WEON 671 supercharger, dual Edelbrock 750 carburetors, roller rocker arms, ported and polished cylinder heads, gear drive timing system, ceramic coated hooker headers, an electric fuel pump, and ARP engine fasteners throughout. Power is delivered through a custom-built turbo 400 automatic transmission paired with a 3,000 revolutions per minute stall converter. The chassis features a professionally installed Chris Alston 4-link rear suspension and a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with strange axles for outstanding durability. Additional equipment includes power steering, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, a custom driveshaft, aluminum radiator with dual electric cooling fans, custom firewall, and numerous polished aluminum and chrome components. The seller states the vehicle features new interior upholstery and presents exceptionally well, making it equally suitable for cruising, exhibitions, and weekend performance events. 11. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi Tribute. Price, $55,000, located, Fulton, Illinois. This 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi Tribute is a professionally built nostalgia super stock race car that combines authentic Mopar styling with highly developed drag racing performance. The vehicle is configured to compete in both the 9.50 and 9.75 index classes while maintaining outstanding reliability and low maintenance requirements. According to the seller, the engine is based on a late 1990s Mopar performance block board 0.070 inches over with a stock stroke crankshaft, steel connecting rods, aluminum cylinder heads professionally ported by modern cylinder heads, Landy roller rocker arms, bronze bushed roller lifters, comp cams valve train components, MSD crank trigger ignition, and a Barton cast cross ram intake topped with correct Hemi carburetors. The chassis has been mini-tubbed and fitted with Wildwood disc brakes, Dana's 60 rear axle, Strange axles, a 4.56 spool, Hal shocks, fiberglass fenders, fiberglass hood, and fiberglass front bumper. The transmission is a professionally prepared 727 automatic featuring aluminum drums, rollarized output shaft, reverse manual valve body, pro-trans internals, ANA components, and a custom ATI converter. Owned by the seller for 30 years, this beautifully maintained Barracuda has accumulated only 51 passes since its complete engine refresh. 12. 1987 Ford Mustang GT Hatch Roller. Price, $20,000, located, Granger, Iowa. This 1987 Ford Mustang GT Hatch Roller is a professionally fabricated Fox body platform built for serious small tire competition, drag and drive events, or index racing applications. The vehicle is offered as a roller and includes a professionally constructed 25.5 certified chromoly roll cage that provides exceptional chassis rigidity and safety. According to the seller, the car features 1993 Cobra body components, a mini-tubbed rear section, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, Team ZK member and control arms, Motion Raceworks steering column with quick-release hub, RC Comp front and rear wheels, Viking double adjustable front shocks, Strange double adjustable rear shocks, Strange racing brakes, a Shonic carbon fiber hood, and a fuel cell. The seller notes that no engine, transmission, turbo system, electronics, or complete fuel system are included beyond the fuel cell, allowing the next owner complete flexibility when selecting a drivetrain package. Extensive fabrication work has already been completed to a very high standard, creating a lightweight and race-ready platform. The seller also offers the option to purchase the car as a complete turnkey package for an additional price, making this Fox body an excellent foundation for a competitive custom build.